Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I wanted to showcase to you guys and also talk about my little test here regarding Nicehash versus mining-dutch.nl. And these are for my two Litecoin / merge mining Dogecoin, I guess Bell's coin now. This is the whole reason why I've switched over, is because of Bell's coin, is my AlphaPex DG1 and AlphaPex DG1 Plus. These are heavy hitter in terms of ASIC miners, okay, as of recently. Good amount of gigahash here that I've done a test comparing Nicehash and mining-dutch.nl. And not only that, okay, not only because I'm doing this just to showcase you guys, in terms of Satoshi value, which one did better, and just spoiler, Nicehash did a little bit better, but there are some variables here that I want to talk about as to why that could have happened, but we'll talk about that in a sec. But also my whole reason as to why I am moving off of Nicehash now onto mining-dutch.nl for my script miners, because this mining pool has a bunch of other merge mining coins, which gives it a little bit more value. Now, whether or not that means it's more profitable than Nicehash, it may not be, but my future potential here for price appreciation of some of these coins, well, that's what I want to analyze, and we're going to do that throughout this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Just a lot of things I want to talk about here. It's very interesting to me, and so this might be something interesting for you guys as well. But yeah, I didn't know mining-dutch.nl had support for a lot of these other script coins, right, that are merged mineable as well. Okay, so which is really cool. So anyways, I'll talk about all this right after a word from today's video sponsor, AltairTech.io. With their lightning fast shipping worldwide, hassle-free for US buyers, no customs, no VAT, just seamless service, AltairTech.io is your one-stop shop for all Bitcoin mining. They are not your typical brokers drop shipping from China. In the St. Louis area, they have a warehouse that ensures you get your orders quickly from their inventory, guaranteeing a superior buying experience. Trust and integrity are their foundation. With a 4.8 star rating on Trustpilot, they are among the top 5 out of 1,000 cryptocurrency service companies. Their customer service is unparalleled. They understand crypto mining products deeply and are here to help new miners set up and troubleshoot. They are dedicated, spending hours with customers if needed. Pleb miner friendly with no minimum order quantities ever. They empower home miners with no MOQs, flexible payment options including PayPal and credit cards, and support available in the evenings and weekends. Join the mining revolution with Altair Tech, fast shipping, expert support, and the community of miners just like you. Visit them today at altairtech.io. Use coupon code RPM for 1% off your whole order. Link down below. Okay, guys, so let's just go through the comparison first. Now, I'm just going to give the disclaimers here of this test. They were not done on the same day. Okay, I don't have two DG1s or two DG1 pluses, so I can't run them, side by side, one on Nicehash and one on mining-dutch.nl. So the profitability, which I'm going to say is flawed, because the price of Dogecoin over the past 7 days here has been just going down and down and down and down here, especially over the past day of when I did this test. So I think that's why we have earned a bit less in terms of Satoshi value on the mining-dutch test here. Okay, so I just wanted to explain that first before I talk about this, because it does show that Nicehash earned a little bit more here. Okay, not sponsored by Nicehash, not sponsored by mining-dutch. This is just a very simple test that I did, but on 2 separate days. So August 31st and September 1st. Okay, so looking at this, you guys can see, right? My DG1 earned about 16.55 that day. But in terms of Satoshis, you guys can see here. And then the DG1 Plus was about $20.78. And you can see the Satoshi value here. But adding it both together, it's about $37.33. Now, we did the second test on September 1st on mining-dutch. All right. So in terms of fiat value, it was about $36.31. And we can see that here. I did take the whole day, and they also did email me the whole amount that I mined in Bitcoin. Okay, but they're not converted into Bitcoin. I'll talk about why I'm on mining-dutch in a sec. Okay, but in terms of the value here, they just added it all together. It's about $36.31 worth. Okay, includes Bell's coin, Digibyte, Dingo, Doge, of course, which is the most majority of the profit here, which is about 78.5%. Okay. And then we got everything else here. Okay. Litecoin, which is really, really small. Litecoin's about 10.3% of the earnings here for that day, yesterday, or September 1st. Okay. Then we have, let's see, going down. Yeah, there's Marriott, doesn't seem to have any value. New York coin doesn't have any value. Pepe coin, about 61 cents worth. And we got World coin here for 1 penny. Okay. So you can see, right? Pepe is about 1.7%. Bell's coin was about 5.4%. Okay. So about almost mined about 2 Bell coin that day. All right. So about almost $2, $1.97 worth. So not bad, not bad. But yeah, you guys can see, right? The pie chart here, how much of the pie that I've been earning that day, all right, for 24 hours for on these two miners together. So that's why you'll see these two earnings here are combined because they're all together in one. So yeah, looks like on Nicehash, in terms of Satoshi value, I've made about $1 less, okay? And just to reiterate here that Nicehash and Mining-Dutch are two different, like this is a platform. Nicehash is basically people are buying hash rate. They're renting, rigs, ASICs, whatever, to mine to a pool of their choice. So that's how miners get paid, right? In BTC, okay? So sometimes maybe someone's going to be paying more for what they want or less, but majority that I've seen from people that have been talking about Nicehash, again, not sponsored, is that they seem to be paying a little bit more than normal in terms of BTC. So, but you can see here though, I did talk about that, since I'm earned about $1 less, I'm going to attribute that to the price of Doge going down over the past September here. You can see the a decent price drop here. So this is why I think I was earning a bit less here. In terms of fiat value and even Satoshi value, because you can see here, like over the past 24 hours, Dogecoin has gone down almost, 5%, while Bitcoin's gone down 2.49%. The trading there, I bet, okay, the Bitcoin dominance and, the pairs, Dogecoin, Bitcoin trading pair is essentially where Dogecoin is going to be worth less, right? And so that's why I'm going to be getting less Satoshis here over the past day on September 1st, especially. Okay, so just to clarify that. So ultimately, I feel like this is the same. Okay, and if we were to compare on like hashrate.no, the profitability here, which has been, ever changing here on, these DG1 pluses that I'm just trying to compare this here, right? It looks like if I were to combine the revenue on both of these coins, it'd be about almost $36, right? And how much I earned here was about 37, but that was on August 31st when it was worth a little bit more, right? That's when Dogecoin was a little bit higher, right? On the 31st. So honestly, I think the profitability here is pretty much the same here. So that's all I want to go through. So let me know what you guys think. But now I'm gonna be moving all of my Litecoin ASICs over. I have an L7 as well. I have an LT Lite. I have a mini Doge and like a few other miners that I'm gonna move over to mining-dutch.nl. Again, not sponsored. I want to accumulate more bells, obviously, and maybe Digibyte, like all of these coins. It's actually mining all of them, and it doesn't hinder like Litecoin or Dogecoin. It's all merge mining. Okay, merge mining, it's happening simultaneously. Okay, so it's not like stopping and mining Litecoin first, and then it's going to mine Dogecoin next. No, it's all happening at the same time. Okay, they even say here, merge mining is done simultaneously while mining a compatible coin automatically and by default. This can't be disabled and is also not necessary as it does not come at any cost for your miners. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And you guys can see that, right? I've earned some extra in terms of bells here. Digibyte, a little bit, 5 cents in Dingo. The majority, again, of profit is going to come from the Dogecoin. Okay. And then we got Litecoin at like $3.73 worth, but really it's that small. But here's my thought process with all this of why I want to move my ASICs now, my Litecoin ASICs to Mining-Dutch, which again, I feel like they're the only pool that has this type of functionality of merge mining with a bunch of these other coins here that, they're like the top 9th pool right now with only about 11.65 terahash. After this video, I'm going to see how much more terahash moves over, but really nobody is like merge mining with these other coins here. Like looks like nobody, or maybe, some of these pools are, and, maybe they're not clarifying that, and maybe they're hoarding all that extra coin, like Pepe coin, Dingo coin, World coin. Maybe, I wonder if that's a thing. I don't know. But anyways, this mining pool, mining-dutch.nl, I want to accumulate all these coins because I analyzed a bit of these coins here that I believe that they're in the bull run, that some of these coins could have further price appreciation, especially where they are now. So obviously it's nice to mine into Bitcoin, all right? Bitcoin's the big dog. And, over, like, I'd say the past couple months, I was mining into, Bitcoin on these LTC ASICs over the past like 90 days, right? If we go past 90 days though, you can see Bitcoin has been outperforming Litecoin, Dogecoin, especially Dogecoin here, which is majority of the profit. So you can see that over the past 90 days, Dogecoin's down like 40%, but Bitcoin's only down like 15%. So you can see opportunity cost there. I've earned my Bitcoin has, which, majority I'm holding. So the value hasn't dropped as much as if I were to hodl, Dogecoin. But, and here's the big but, here's my gamble or risk that here's my play, my opportunity here. My thought process here is with all these other coins here on this list that I have here, which I have on CoinGecko, which, just looking at the performance of some of these coins, like Bells is up 320% over the past 60 days. What's not to say, Digibyte or, some of these coins here. So let's analyze here real quick here. So Dogecoin, right? If I were to mine and hodl Dogecoin, what would that potentially do, right? If Dogecoin would price appreciate again, like just like in 2021 because of Elon Musk, is that going to happen again? I don't know. But there's potential, right? And then in 2024, it looks like Dogecoin did pump up a bit. But is there going to come a time when Dogecoin is going to go up again in the future? Yeah, I think so. Dogecoin has that potential. But what about Bells, right? Bells is, I guess, this new up and coming one, which has been on exchanges, an exchange, I guess, over the past year. It hasn't been in a bull run, essentially, even though I think it is like 9 or 7 days older than Dogecoin. Bells coin came out before Dogecoin, which is interesting. But anyways, is there potential that Bells coin could have price appreciation? I'm not sure, right? So that's why I'm going to start accumulating Bells coin now. Litecoin, tried and true, it seems like it's always gone up in bull runs, right? 2018, Litecoin went up. 2021, of course, Litecoin also went up as well with Bitcoin. Now, the next cycle, the 4-year cycles of Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes up in 2025, is Litecoin going to go up? Probably. Not financial advice, of course. Digibyte. Looking at Digibyte now, 2018, Digibyte looks like it went up. Let's see, 2021, Digibyte also went up. Is Digibyte going to go up the next bull run? I think so. So that's another potential coin that could go up. Also, before I keep going, I forgot to talk about the multipliers, right? So as I'm accumulating more of these other coins here, are they going to outperform Bitcoin? And in my head, I'm thinking yes, because how many times, which thank you to Mass Boost for this chart, how many more times can Bitcoin go up? Like say where Bitcoin is right now, Bitcoin's about 57,000. If Bitcoin went to 150,000, that's about what's a 3x, okay? What's not to say Dogecoin or Dingo coin or Digibyte could go up much higher in percentage than Bitcoin multiplier. I think there's a higher chance that those coins here could go higher than Bitcoin, right? That's kind of a riskier play, of course, but if you ultimately believe Bitcoin's going to go up, I think majority of these coins will go up as well. But just looking at, percentage gains of Bitcoin in 2021, you can see Bitcoin went up about 235%. But once you start going up in lower market cap coins, they tend to do like a 10x, 30x, 100x, depending on the type of coin, of course. But I'm not saying those script coins that we mine. But look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin went up almost 14,000% in 2021 from 0.05 to about 73 cents. So this is where I'm thinking the opportunity lies in with these merge mine coins, that if I'm accumulating all of this over the next year into the bull run, potentially, if it's in 2025 or later or never again, that's the risk I'm willing to take. So why not? Why not accumulate some of these coins here at the same time, also accumulating Doge, Litecoin. I'm not accumulating Bitcoin, but I'm accumulating about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different other coins that have the potential to price appreciate, and not just in a 2 or 3x form, but maybe a 10x, 50x form. So that's what my thought process is and all this stuff. So Dingo coin, I've never heard of this coin, but it looks like it's had its ups and downs. It looks like it's had some like pretty decent volume as well, like $300,000 volume. But yeah, WorldCoin, I've never heard some of these coins. Yeah, the volume in some of these, I just don't know. Pepe coin, like a meme coin. Yeah, it looks like this one's had some price appreciation and hasn't had a bull run. So it looks like this came out in June. Don't quote me on that, but who knows, right? Who knows? And New York coin, yeah, this one doesn't have much. Wow, this one had almost $2 million volume back in 2018. What? That's crazy. New York coin? Okay, that is interesting. Okay. Well, anyways, right? There's Myriad here as well. This is a coin from 2018. Wow, this one had like $4 million volume. Wow, that's crazy. See, 2021 it also went up. So 2018 it went up. 2021 it went up, and then the next bull run, if we have, I don't know what this coin's going to do, but just giving that my thought process here with you guys as to why I'm now going to be full on going on mining-dutch.nl, because again, they seem like the only pool that has all those merge mining. I don't know. There's no other pool, no other top pool here that has that capability, unless they are stealing that from everyone else. That might be something we got to search into, bros. If anyone that has any connections or can figure out if any of these coins are hodling all these other merge mineable coins, that might be something to look into. That might be a bit of a conspiracy or drama that we can look into later. But anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to do. I will keep you guys updated as to, I guess, as we go along. I'm going to be mining and holding all these coins here, and obviously not in mining-dutch's, I guess, website here. I got to figure out, hopefully I can figure out a way. Majority of this stuff, I feel like LTC, Digibyte, I don't know, Dogecoin, of course, these ones can go on my Tangem. But everything else, I'm going to have to probably download a core wallet and do that on a VM and hold it all that way. But this is something where I think we could benefit from in the future. Not financial advice, of course, but we'll see how it goes. But if you're a miner that ultimately just wants Bitcoin, then I feel like Nicehash does seem like the way to go. Doesn't seem bad if you want just, Bitcoin, if you just want to mine into Bitcoin, that is. But you may be missing out on potential gains from a lot of these other coins that, once Bitcoin goes up, right, the volume and liquidity provided could boost a few of these other coins here and could be lucrative. Who knows, right? Who knows? So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.